So which wolf will you feed? One makes you strong, one makes you weak. And those who know and those who seek. Amidst the chaos, find your peace. I know it's your wolf I'll feed. I know it's your wolf I'll feed. Spirit, I've had it. Bring me back to the nomadic way of weaving through the damage. Mindful, stay mindful. Great Spirit, for my sisters, let me be a flowing river. Flood the banks, the rocks that bind her. Carry, I'll carry. Great Spirit. Oh, wow, great Spirit. Oh, wow, great Spirit, for my brothers, let me be a mountain under which he climbs to discover his process. Now that's progress. Great Spirit, all that hinders, tie reminders to my fingers. I must speak with you more often. Great Spirit. Oh, wow, great Spirit. Oh, wow, great Spirit, for my relations, give them strength to face racism in every single situation. Easy now, wanna speak loud. Great Spirit, take me instead, guide me down the road of red and Kashala. I am saying, praying. System collapse, nothing but the earth will last, and I'll be singing sweetly into the darkness. But how hot this great Spirit on my tongue, be still, be still. The time will come when everyone will sing, all life is sacred. But while I'm waiting, great Spirit, my fist is up, bringing the power to the people, your reflection of us. Some of your people can't hear it, the cries of the earth. Some of your people can't feel it, the way that it hurts, and it hurts. Great Spirit, oh, and it moves, great Spirit. Interconnected in the wreckage of a paradigm on its way out, its way out. Speaking of spiritual, lyrical testimonies, a spirited lyricist, weaving around false prophecies. Spirit directed and selective with the message I bring. While the ship slowly sinks, I've been directed to sing. I'm like a wrecking ball, breaking down the walls of the past. I'm in a bliss, living a bliss with the last of my cash. You gonna be